So what else do we have here?
This is his character.
Sunsets make me
Guys, so nakaano sila, nakapagpapirma sila.
I don't wanna wait forever, taking to let it slip and go. I know you deserve way better. Let the voicemail let me know.
Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. So, nasa MOA tayo guys kasi ayan nakikita niyo nasa background ko. Yes, te! O, yan. May kasama ako, i-reveal ko sa inyo. Na-joke, ayan, nasa event tayo. Yes, free event ng Freaky Friday sa MOA. So, may kasama ako dito. Ayan, so ano masasabi? Na-joke lang. Si Ma'am Shimei. Ayan, si Ma'am Shimei. Tapos, ayan, si Gemma.
Hi!
Ang freshly baked naming friend. Ayan, finally. Oo, si Christian. Tapos sila Jed, wala guys. Kasi may ano siya, yung sangipin niya. Tapos, ano pa ba? Si Marty, boy pa naman. Hindi, mag-work din, tulog siya sa ngayon. Oo, ayan. So, kami muna, si Bestie, nihintay namin. Ayan. So, yan guys, makikita nyo, may ano na siya, may pila na. Time check, ano na? Anong oras na ba? Ayan, o, di ba? May nagmo-model pa. Anong oras na, Mi? 11 a.m.? 11 na ba? 11. Ayan, 11. So, ayan. Siguro mga pang 20 plus kami. Alam nyo, party-party kami talaga dito. Kulang pa yan. Ayan ang aking bestie. Bestiana of the universe.
Si Kuya, alam mo na mamasyal sa park. Sabi niya pa, pagka hello po. Maganda lang pa siya. Pagka, di ba nakastop? Gagalang pa siya. Ano pa yan? Tapos yung drive niya parang... Binulungan ko na siya. Kuya, pakibilis po. Sabi niya ano, sir? Bilis-bilisan po natin. Sir. Oo.
Okay guys, we're eating. So, ito yung setup namin. Hello. Ay, ito yung drinks, bestie. So, thank you, Chowking. The joke lang. Ayan. Ito yung sa'yo, bestie. So, ayan. Ano, combo na to, guys. Pork chow fan, tapos choice nyo kung steamed or, ano ba yun? Steamed or fried. Ay! Narinig nyo yun. So, ayan. Tapos, may drink na siyang ganyan. Choice nyo. So, 170, 169 ata.
Kung ano lang ako, hindi ako professional. Parang pinapasok siya sa akin. Pero...
So guys, time check 4 PM na and oy si ano? Si Makoy Dubs ba? Hello. Pwede niya pala in person. Ang dami namin nakitang. Actually, dalawa pala. Si Makoy Dubs, tama ba?
Ayun o, dadaan siya.
So guys, time check 4 PM na. Ayan. 4 PM na and medyo mausad na yung ano namin. Freakier Friday. Thank you po. And I'm the eldest.
Kung malayo.
Tartik na keychain. Meron.
2003 Family Classic Freaky Friday. Freakier Friday PH.
Freakier Friday! Thank you po. Rolling and turn.
Basta kayo, basta. Lagyan natin ng intro.
Gawa natin ang intro.
1, 2, 3.
Ano yun? Doble ko, te. Saan kita picturean nung ano, bestie? Hello po!
Dito kayo?
Yes!
Masaya kayo makita si Manny today.
Yes!
Welcome to the Philippine premiere for Disney's upcoming film, Freakier Friday.
Proud to welcome the fans. I'm also a Freakier Friday fan myself. All of you here to this exclusive fan meet and an exclusive premiere later happening at SM Cinema. You know, just like Disney, our partners from Disney, we cherish exceptional moments like this.
Don't wanna grow up, I wanna get out. Hey, take me away. I want shot out, take me away, 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 away.
Freakier Manier. Mga signage, you know. Oh, what's this? Right. Yeah. Okay. So obviously, fans were following the career. I love that. Okay. What else? Oh, what else do we have here?
This is his character from The Good Place.
Hey, did you match your color to
I
the
did.
Freakier Friday?
Yes!
Just for this.
Love this. Yeah, get a good shot of this. Watch. Oh, what's this? So this is
Malay mo dito!
Sana.
alright. Wait, I know. We're all just
Hi guys!
Freakier Friday, 7th this August.
Ha?
Siya yung husband namin dati.
Ay,
So part of that.
Sabi namin kung magkakaroon kami ng trouble, siya lang yung pwede.
Eme.
Yes. Hello, everybody. Kamusta po kayo?
Oh God!
Thank you for being here. Wow, this is so exciting.
Yeah, it's super exciting. We've been excited for a while, and I mean, it's so nice to hear you speak Filipino as well.
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
You know, this homecoming means so much to us, seeing a Filipino take the spotlight. Thank you so much, ladies, and congratulations once again.
Hulog na ako dito. Kaya nga pag nahulog po ito sa inyo. Wait lang guys, baka tumaob yung ano eh. Ari.
our efforts to fight film piracy, we will be providing couches to secure any recording devices while inside the cell.
Money! Money! Money, please! Money! 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 Oh, no! Money!
Money, please!
Please! Please!
Money, please on this one!
Oh my God!
J-Dog!
Oo, kasi Christian na lang nakaano. Walang gagalaw. Oh my God, guys, buwis buhay. Buwis buhay, malalaglag na kami. Yes! Oh my God, may sign. Ito meron. Meron ka, te? Yes! Congrats! Guys, so nakaano sila, nakapagpapirma sila. Yes! Pero wala naman firma. Pero okay lang yun, oo. Basta na lang ang bilis eh. So guys, ayan yung vlog namin. Sana na-feel yung nakasama namin kayo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys! Bye! Bye-bye! Ano yun?
Bye!
Freakier!
Freakier Friday!
Bye!